welcome back to my channel. I have another wig review for you guys today. This one came from Braids Queen. I have been looking all over for a really good braided wig to wear, just to slap on and slap off. And this one, they have like the ones that are in form of like a headband wig. So I found one that was kind of like a boho knotless braid. I think it's knotless braid or box braid. I think it's knotless braid, but it's like in a boho form. So it's real comfortable. You can just put it on. It already comes with a band attached. It has this is the comb at the top and this is the comb at the bottom. You can just look at this. I wore it a couple of times, so excuse me. The braid part is kind of like napping up a little bit, and I did wash it. It does come with. They give you these to just decorate your wig with. Also give you a wig cap and an elastic band in case you want to like sew it on for like a tighter grip. Also, now I am mad at them because I specifically got this wig. It says you get this wig, you'll get 5 headbands with it. 5. You'll get 5 headbands with it. And when I got my package in the mail, guess what? No headbands. So I immediately emailed them and they were all like, I'm so sorry. Our logistics team, forgot the headbands, but that's okay. They reimbursed me They reimbursed me a partial amount back towards my card. So, I'm not really mad at them anymore, but that was the sole purpose of me getting the wig, because I really wanted to sport it with different headbands. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. You stick your head through here first. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the back first and then try to secure it at the top. Okay. All right. And then I'm gonna just slick this back. You see how pretty and bomb that is? How you could just stick this on and go. You can just wear it like down. You can do like a high up and down ponytail bun if you want to. Just all these different styles that you can do. Y'all work with me because it is a little bit nappy, like I said before. I don't really know how that looks. And then if you want to, you can just stick it in a hot messy bun. You can do a ponytail, which is tying like the strands, and then if you can try to like bun this up. But yeah, so they have these on sale for $84. I think it's like $84.90. I'm not sure if they ran out, because they run out fast when it comes to the headband wigs, all the braided ones and stuff. So y'all should go check them out at queen.com, braidsqueen.com, and y'all just copy out one. All right, well, thank you guys again for watching the Red One TV. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.